Hi guys, I'm Lekha Gupta and I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my go-to skincare products. Cucumber and green tea are excellent for your eye dark circles, also for the puffiness of your eyes. So if you have a problem of puffy eyes, make sure to use cucumber and green tea regularly. Something which I believe in doing is scrubbing, because we are exposed to so much of dust, grime and dirt, so the dead cells form quicker. So when I talk of scrubbing, I don't really mean scrubbing my face only, it also includes my lips. So for that I make a home scrub, which is with a little bit of honey, as you can see, a dash of lime and sugar granules. So I mix this all three together and make a nice thick paste out of it. Generously apply it all over my lips, scrubbing it gently and allowing it to rest for a few minutes. Once that is done, I wash it off, and that leaves my lips supple, nourished, hydrated, and of course a lot pinker. Once my lips are scrubbed properly, then I come to my face, and I'm a kind of person, I tan really fast, even if little exposure to sun, and I'm absolutely tanned. So my friend is tomatoes. So I take a slice of tomato, as you can see, and these are again sugar granules, because that helps in scrubbing the face and removing the dead cells completely. And tomato helps in removing tan and removing any sort of discoloration or pigmentation from your skin, making it look really nice, hydrated, glowing, and that's when you get to see the natural glow. So I'm going to dip my tomato straight onto the sugar granules like this. Lift it up, as you can see, and scrub my whole face with this. Now to me, curd is an absolute magic ingredient for home remedies, and you can pretty much use it for anything and everything. I also use a lot of curd to make a home pack. I add a little bit of lime in it, squeeze a little dash of lime into it, honey into it, and I also add a bit of gram flour. In Hindi it's called besan. Make a nice paste out of it, apply it on my face and leave it for about 20 minutes. Once that is done, I nicely, softly, gently clean it out without rubbing my face, and it leaves me with nourished skin. See you soon guys. Stay safe. Be home.
Hi guys, this is Malika Jolly, a professional makeup artist. Today I'm going to tell you an easy way to give your skin a quick hydration boost. So keep watching. So I'm sure that you all have heard a lot about sheet masks. It is something that I love to use personally as well. They are a treat for your skin, and the best part is that they work for all types of skins. These are a few of my favorites. I use this one on the days that I have worked outdoors in pollution. It helps to remove the impurities from the clogged pores. This I use on days that my skin feels dry, tight and very stretchy. It instantly softens my skin. I feel super hydrated after using this one. I also keep this mask as a part of my skincare routine because it contains antioxidants and helps to increase the skin elasticity. It is great for people who have dryness and fine lines. This fourth sheet mask is the one that I will also be using today. My last few days have been super hectic and my face skin really feels dull, tired and exhausted. This particular mask gives an instant clean and flawless look. A lot of times I also use this one as a quick fix before a party. Now let me quickly take you through the process of using a sheet mask. First step is to ensure that your face is freshly clean. I have already used an exfoliating cleanser. Next step is to use a toner to refine and reset your skin. Sheet masks are essentially paper, cloth or gel saturated with serums that contain moisturizers and extracts. I normally start from the forehead, as you can see, to ensure a better fit. So what really happens is that when you keep a sheet mask on your face for about 15 to 20 minutes, with the lack of air, it ensures that the absorption of the key ingredients happen in a much lesser time. Gently pull off the mask from your forehead. Massage the essence into the skin in a gentle upward motion. You do not have to wash your face after this. Instead, apply a moisturizer. I just love how my skin feels right now, so fresh and hydrated, and I'm sure you can see the glow as well. Hello everyone, I'm Malika Jolly, a professional makeup artist. Today we will be speaking about the much hyped Korean skincare routine. So now let's quickly move on to the steps. Select an oil-based cleanser to start with. I'm using the Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleanser. Saturate a cotton pad with oil cleanser. Gently wipe your eyes, face and lips. Korean skincare has a double cleanse regime which is necessary to thoroughly clean your skin. So the foaming cleansers will remove all the water-based debris such as the sweat and the dirt. I'm using the Forest Essentials cleanser. Dampen your face with lukewarm water and start massaging in a circular motion all across your face, including your hairline. Then rinse with water. Next, use a gentle exfoliator to remove the dead skin cells. I'm using the Kaya Youth Face Scrub. Apply a small amount of scrub with wet fingertips and massage gently into the skin, avoiding the sensitive area near your eyes. Rinse well with water and pat dry. A toner helps to balance the skin pH level. Use a cotton pad to gently dab the toner on the face. Essence is a hybrid between a toner and a serum. Gently pat on your face and neck. Regular usage also helps to improve skin texture, barrier properties and overall quality. Serums are thick in consistency and are saturated with active ingredients that help in the treatment of specific skin concerns like wrinkles, dark spots or dehydration. I'm using the L'Oreal Revita Lift Serum. Take a small amount and massage all over your face or over specific problem areas. The seventh step is a Korean beauty favorite, the sheet mask. I'm using the Innisfree Idebinone mask. Place the sheet mask on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. The skin around the eye is very thin, so it's important to keep it hydrated and protected. Hence, the next step is to use an eye cream. I'm using the It's Clinic Hyaluronic Acid Eye Cream. Use your little finger and gently spread over the area where the dark circles are noticeable. Apply a soothing moisturizer in a light layer across your face to lock in the benefits of all the ingredients that you've just applied. Also, apply a lip balm. I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge and Dr. Organic Lip Balm. It is advisable to use moisturizers and lip balms daily. This moisturizer is a light, refreshing gel cream with auto-replenishing benefits. It is suitable for all skin types. So the Korean skincare routine is extensive but definitely worth trying out. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Until next time, stay safe and stay beautiful. Hi guys, this is Malika Jolly, a professional makeup artist and hairstylist. Today I'm going to show you an amazing anti-frizz mask and serum for the hair which has always worked for me. Today I'll be using the L'Oreal Liz Unlimited Mask and Serum. This range is enriched with pro-keratin which purify the hair and scalp, providing up to 4 days of anti-frizz effect. I have very fine and thin hair but this still gets super frizzy, so let's get to the application. Apply the mask evenly to shampooed and towel dried hair. Leave for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The serum contains oil which gives your hair a long-lasting anti-humidity shield to control your hair and keep it frizz-free. It can be used for thick, unmanageable hair or even straightened hair. It preps your hair for a blow dry when you apply it on damp hair, but you could also use it as a quick fix on dry hair to just give it a little sheen and to tame the frizz down. Use a small amount on towel dried hair, mainly concentrate on lengths and not on the scalp. Leave for 2 minutes for it to get completely absorbed, then brush out and style your hair as usual. You can apply a little at the end for the finishing.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.